So this is a retro styled product. There's quite a lot of them on the market now. This one's particularly small though. You're only talking about a product that's only 45 centimeters wide. So if you've got a little tiny gap and you still want a 4-star freezer, separate box, there she is. And there's your fridge section there. It's a lovely small little product. It just adds a little bit of style though. It comes in 4 different colors. This is the pastel blue. And this is the red.